Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest and detailed beauty reviews. Today, let's talk about a product that promises to elevate your eye makeup game without the hassle of constant touch-ups. The Clinique Cream Shaper Eyeliner Pencil for Eyes in the shade AB Chocolate Lustre. This eyeliner claims to be water-resistant and non-smudging, two key features that every beauty lover desires, especially when it comes to eyeliner that stays put all day. But does it really live up to these promises? Let's find out. First off, the Clinique Cream Shaper Eyeliner Pencil has a pencil form, which makes it easy to apply and control, whether you're going for a subtle line or a bold, defined look. The finish is described as shimmery, which can give you a bit of glimmer without being overly flashy. It's the kind of eyeliner you could wear both day and night without feeling too much like you're overdone. The shade AB Chocolate Lustre is a rich, deep brown that adds a nice pop of color to the eyes, but it's not as harsh as black eyeliner, making it perfect for softer, more natural looks. Clinique has a reputation for creating hypoallergenic products, so if you have sensitive eyes, this one could be a good choice for you, especially with the added bonus of being fragrance-free. In terms of texture, the eyeliner glides on effortlessly. It's creamy but not too soft, so you won't find it breaking easily or getting all over the place when you're applying it. I've tested it during a regular workday and in a few rainy situations, and it does hold up well. While it's not completely budge-proof, it did manage to stay in place better than some other eyeliners I've tried in this category. However, there are a couple of things I want to point out. While it's advertised as water-resistant, it's not entirely waterproof, so if you have watery eyes or are heading to a pool, you might want to consider a more heavy-duty waterproof eyeliner. The pencil's smudge resistance is decent, better than some, but if you're someone with oily eyelids, you might notice a little transfer by the end of the day. Now let's dive into the pros and cons of the Clinique Cream Shaper Eyeliner Pencil. Pros: smooth application. The creamy formula glides on without tugging, which is great for a pencil eyeliner. Versatile shade. The AB Chocolate Lustre is a beautiful, wearable color that enhances the eyes without looking too bold or harsh. Non-irritating, Clinique's formulation is hypoallergenic, making it safe for those with sensitive eyes. Long-lasting. It holds up for a good portion of the day without much fading or smudging. Cons: not fully waterproof. If you're after a truly waterproof formula, this might not be the best option. Smudging over time. It's water resistant, but if you have oily skin or if you're wearing it for extended hours, you might see some smudging. Not the most intense pigmentation. While the shade is lovely, you might need to layer it up for full opacity, depending on your preferences. So, is this eyeliner worth the money? Let's talk about value. Priced in the mid-range for eyeliners, this Clinique product offers solid quality, especially for those with sensitive eyes or those looking for a gentler formula. However, if you're looking for a completely smudge-proof, waterproof option, there are other products in this price range that might offer better performance in those areas. If you're someone who values gentle, skin-friendly formulations and doesn't mind a bit of touch-up throughout the day, this eyeliner could be a great addition to your collection. But if you have specific needs like extreme durability or all-day wear without smudging, it might not fully meet those expectations. As far as build quality goes, the pencil is sturdy and easy to sharpen. I appreciate the clean design of Clinique products. There's no excessive packaging, and you get exactly what you need. The eyeliner pencil itself seems durable, and even after several uses, I haven't had any issues with it breaking or becoming difficult to apply. Final thoughts: I do recommend this eyeliner for people who prefer a softer look, have sensitive eyes, and don't mind doing a quick check in the mirror throughout the day to ensure it's still looking fresh. If you're someone who needs a long-lasting, intense eyeliner for a full day of wear without worrying about touch-ups, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. The link to purchase the product can be found in the description box below. If you've used the Clinique Cream Shaper Eyeliner, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.